It's about getting set for the week. So we are not talking about planning and making to-do lists that you might be doing anyway. We are talking about energetic readiness. Aligning your mind, aligning your emotions, aligning your energy so that you can create this week rather than get into your default mode and get carried away with it. So today we are going to set our inner compass. We will clear distractions. We will align with purpose, intention, and clarity.